What's up, everybody? Joe with Wide Open Throttle coming at you with another video today on the FLP dress-up hardware kit for the Honda Ruckus. I already went ahead and put everything on because how boring is that, watching somebody screw a whole bunch of stuff in. So I'll just take you guys through it real quick and see what you guys think. I had all red dress-up hardware. There was nothing wrong with it. It was, you know, cheaper stuff from eBay and Amazon. It worked fine. The problem with it was that the actual the screws in the hardware were cheap. So you would go to, I put Loctite on everything. So you would go to take something off and the actual Allen heads would strip right out because they're just really weak. So I upgraded to FLP and I'm glad I did because the hardware that comes with these things is solid. It's real good hardware. I can tell it's gonna last. Let me show you guys all the stuff that I took off first. So this is all the stuff that I took off and replaced with all FLP stuff. So we'll start, it comes with battery box stuff, dress-up washers. I didn't use the screws because obviously I got these things here. And it comes with everything for your headlight, to keep your headlight on. They're really nice too. Don't mind the battery box, I gotta buy a new one. And then it comes with stuff for your gas tank. I still have to paint. I got spacers in here, so I didn't use the hardware that was included with that either. These are actually bolts off my stock variator. So I have to paint these still. I'm gonna paint those black. And it comes with frame bolts and the dress-up washers. And it comes with, I'm not really sure, I'm pretty sure these are for this, to hold on your rear setbacks. But I'm not sure if it's for that or not, but this is what was on there before. These were nice, but obviously the black looks better. And then it comes with 4 for your seat frame, but this is a man in the box and it needs 10. So obviously man in the box, they give you these, so I'm already set with that. But if you're running like just a lower stock style seat frame, like a 6-speed or something like that, it comes with all the bolts and the dress-up washers, so you can do that. And then I got the stuff that was supposed to be for my seat frame. I just took this and put it back on here, and that's holding my tidy tail on now. So that's about it. And then I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy these black. I'm gonna have to hit up Evan from FLP and see if he can send me over 5 of these things for my CVT cover. And that's about it. New pegs that I just put in. And here's the hardware on the other side. So that's about it, guys. If you want a real cheap way to spice up your Ruckus and make it yours, that's a good way to go about it. Get some dress-up hardware, and you'll be good to go. Comes in all kinds of colors. Well, FLP only comes in a couple colors, but other companies make other colors too. You can get all kinds of funky colors. But that's about it. Just wanted to show you guys what I did today. Happy Father's Day to all you guys that are dads out there. And until the next video, peace.